All right. Sorry about that. Looks like the cloud stuff didn't work right out of the bat, so we had to play through the intro there to the game. Got it all taken care of. So now we are on LSPDFR.com, and what we're going to do is we're going to download the actual mod. So we'll go to downloads. Then we'll scroll down here. There's a bunch of options here. We're going to click LSPDFR, and we're in GTA 5 mods. We're not going to be on RDR2 mods or GTA 4 mods. We're on the tab for GTA 5 mods. LSPDFR. Click on that. And it texts you about some antivirus software programs mark it as a virus. It's a known false positive. LSPDFR and Rage Plugin Hook make extensive use of memory hooking to achieve a lot of what they do, which can look malicious to antivirus software. So it's just letting you know it's not a virus. Don't freak out if your antivirus software is saying that you are infected. So we'll download the file. It's got a big long user agreement there. You can read through that if you want. Go down to the bottom. Let's close that ad. Let's close that ad. And then click agree and download. And it's going to give you some download options. I like the manual download. You can see all the files. 75.7 megabytes. So we'll click download. And it should automatically start downloading if you're using Google Chrome. And it will give you a bar down here. And it's going to show the progress. It's going to go around in a little circle until it's complete. And it gives you the time for the download to finish. And I am doing this on Windows 10. Hopefully you're on Windows 10. If you're not, I would ask you why. Why are you not using Windows 10? Upgrade your stuff, dude. You can click the little down arrow here, and it gives you some options. What we want to do is we want to show in folder. And it's going to open a new window for us to the link to the file where the file's downloaded. What we want to do is we want to utilize our quick access. I'm going to grab the file. And I'm going to drag it to our LSPDFR folder that we have in our documents. Boom. I'm going to click on that and take us right here. And I created a downloads folder for the download files that we download. So we're going to throw that in there. Now what we're going to do is, this is a zip file. So it's a compressed zip file. So if you look at the icon there, it's a folder with a zipper that's zipped up. So it's essentially, if you think of it, a folder you should be familiar with if you're using Windows is a place where you can put files in. That is an open thing that anybody can open and retrieve data from. A zipped file, if you would think of it as a pouch, you can put your files in this pouch and you can zip it up. You can also lock these and put passwords on them as well. So there's a lot of different features or reasons why you would use a zipped file. It just makes downloading multiple files that belong together easier. So we're going to go right click on that, and we're going to extract all, and it's going to give us a dialog box. Let me move that dialog box over to this window. And it usually takes you to the path where the download is, to where the file that you're extracting is. Show extracted files when complete is checked, so it'll open the file folder and show us all the files once it's finished. Let's click browse, and let's go to the LSPDFR folder. Boom. Downloads. Okay. So in the essential mods folder, I put extracted files. You can put this extracted files folder anywhere you want. You can put it in the downloads folder if you want, but I just happen to put it in the essential mods folder. So click on it, and I'll select that folder. And it will update the path. And then I hit extract. And it's going to extract all the files into that folder that we selected. And we're going to use those files a little bit later. So we're going to do that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to download some of the other things that we're going to need to get the game running at a base level. So it automatically opens the folder up because we decided to do that. So we can go to Essential Mods, And we can just rename this folder LSPDFR install files. Boom. Then we're going to it's in the downloads folder, so that's good. Now what we're going to do is we're going to download the other files that we're going to need. We're going to need Simple Trainer. So you can get that from GTA5-mods.com, and you can just search for Simple Trainer. This is the one you want, from SJack 327. There's lots of different versions of this out there, but this is the one. This is the original. This is the one right here. So we're going to go ahead and download that. It's going to do pretty much the same thing. It's going to launch an auto downloader. Oh, actually, it's not an auto downloader. You have to actually click the download button. So you agree to the user agreements by clicking the button itself. Make sure that you're aware of that. So now we have Trainer. So we can close out of that. We also will need Script Hook V. This is the website for it, dev-c.com/GTAV/script hook V/. And that takes us to this website where it is available. Script Hook V is a library that allows you to use GTA 5 scripts, native function, and custom plugins. Note that it doesn't work in GTA Online. Script Hook closes GTA V when the player goes in multiplayer. So it is just a file that is used to kind of open up the game and allow, scripts and plugins to be loaded. So let's see. This distribution also includes a simple ASI plugin, Native Trainer. If you need a trainer, then copy Native Trainer too. Okay, we're not going to use Native Trainer. We're going to use Simple Trainer. So let's go ahead and, I wonder if there's no, there's not a version without it. So let's go ahead and download. It's going to auto download the file. Boom, boom, boom. These two are in our downloads folder. So don't freak out. And we're going to go ahead and close that. Now we're going to get Rage Plugin Hook. This is the file that allows you to do your things, allows you to actually, crack the game, if you will. So we'll, as the name suggests, Rage Plugin Hook hooks into and acts as an interface between custom code and the Rage Engine based games like Red Dead Redemption 2. So that gives you kind of a explanation of what it is. It kind of just unlocks the magic, basically. So we're going to download that. We're going to pick Grand Theft Auto 5 Legacy. Boom. And it's going to give us the version that we need. Rage Plugin Hook 1.78.1267.16039. March 19, 2020. Look how many downloads that thing has. A lot of people downloading that. And it has a little change log on what it fixed, what it added. So we're going to go ahead and download. And you see the previous versions are not available. That's what I think we talked about that in a previous portion of this video, that the old downloads, a lot of these places, they will get rid of the old versions. So if you download, you want to keep those download files just in case. You never know. Really small file, about 10 megabytes. It's downloaded. It's ready to go. Now, if you noticed, there was a file here, this one, .rar. That is an extension that is similar to a zip, but it is not a zip. So what we will need is an application that will allow us to unpack those files or unzip those files. So you can use Rare Labs WinRare. It's a program that allows you to unpack these types of files. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and download it. Protect your browser against blah, 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 blah. Buy, browse, downloads. WinRare. So we are running a 64-bit version of WinRare. So we want to download that. And it's a trial, so it'll bug you. It will bug you about all of that stuff. Buying it, but it will work, so don't worry about it. So that's our downloads folder. This is where all of our files are at. And we are going to start to work with these files in just a moment here. We just wanted to show you, get them all downloaded first. And what I want to do is I want to move them all to the downloads folder. So let's see, let's open a new window. Go to downloads. Let's throw all of our downloads files in there, just so we have them. They're all appropriately named so that you can look at them and know what they are. Trainer V, script hook V, plugin hook, and then our WinRAR. It has our versions on there. And the system logs when they were last modified and all that good stuff. So we'll close that out. We'll close that out. Close all that out. And now it's time to get started in installing all of our stuff.